Hi there, just want to give you an update on the case mod project. Had a bit of a problem with this case in that this hole here where the screw goes into has been cross-threaded. So you try and put the screw on to secure the side panel on, and it just falls through. It's a bit dark there, so I do apologise. So although it's not a major problem, I did feel that I wanted to try and do something about it so that at least we could have the same amount of thumb screws on each side. So what I've done is, let's see if we can make you see this a little bit better. I'll just screw the thumb screw in for you. I've actually soldered onto the other side. Let's see if we can get some light in there and have a look. I've actually soldered a little nut just on the other side, and that works. That nips it up rather well. It's not the neatest solder in the world. I couldn't really see what I was doing, so I did a lot by feel. But so that's tidied that up, and that's worked rather well. Of course, the other thing that I've been having a look at as well is some of the wiring, particularly for the fans. This is going to run out to the terminal block. I've done one here already. Basically, as I said, I was going to use this connector, so I've taken out one of the black earth leads, and I've soldered an extension piece onto it. And my plan is to try and, if I can run it around the back here, and oh, hang on a minute. Again, the limitations of having one hand when you're holding the camera with another. Let's just see if I can tidy that up there, but it needs to run across here and then down to the terminal block behind the back of the hard drive bays. That's where it's going to run. So I've had to make my cable long enough to be able to do that. So hopefully I've done it. What I've used for the cable extensions is one of these. This is a 24-pin connector off an old power supply, so I've just used the cable from that, and it's been easy to splice. So this is all the connectors now done. So we've got our 3 ground connections, our 2 3.3 volt connections, and 1 5 volt connection. And just move around this side of the case just so you can see the power supply in situ. I don't think I got a shot of that on the last video. That's looking rather good. So on the whole, I'm pleased with the progress that we're making so far. Do keep watching for more updates.